Is this the right time to invest in the market? Or are we walking straight into another crash? Everywhere you look, you see mixed signals. Some people say this year will be huge for investors. Others say the worst is still ahead. Inflation, interest rates, wars, elections, artificial intelligence. It's overwhelming. So in this video, we're going to slow things down. No hype, no fear-mongering, just clarity. By the end of this video, you'll understand what's happening in the market right now, what could drive markets higher or lower this year, the biggest risks to watch, and how smart investors are thinking today. This is not financial advice. This is education. Let's begin. The big picture. First, let's zoom out. Markets don't move based on today. They move based on expectations about tomorrow. Right now, three big forces are shaping the market: interest rates and inflation. Over the last few years, central banks raised interest rates aggressively. Why? To fight inflation. Higher interest rates mean borrowing becomes expensive, companies slow down, consumers spend less. That usually puts pressure on stocks. But here's the important part. Markets don't wait for rate cuts. They move based on expectations. So even when the economy feels weak, stocks can still rise if investors believe things will improve. That's why the market often feels disconnected from the news. Economic growth. Some parts of the economy look strong. Jobs are still there. Consumers are still spending. But other parts look fragile. Debt is high. Small businesses are under pressure. Certain industries are slowing down. This creates uncertainty, and uncertainty leads to volatility. Not a straight crash, not a straight rally, but ups and downs. Technology and AI. A big part of recent market gains has come from technology, especially companies connected to artificial intelligence. AI is powerful, it's real, and it's changing the world. But when a small group of stocks carries the market, risk increases because expectations get very high. That doesn't mean tech is bad. It means investors must be selective. Investor emotions right now. Let's talk about emotions, because markets are driven by psychology as much as fundamentals. Fear 1. I missed my chance. Many people feel like they already missed it. They say, I should have invested earlier. This thinking is dangerous because it leads to chasing prices or staying out forever. The truth is simple. No one buys the bottom consistently. No one sells the top consistently. Markets reward patience, not perfection. Fear 2. A crash is coming. Could the market fall this year? Yes. Markets always pull back. 10%, 20%, sometimes more. That's normal. A drop only becomes a problem if you panic and sell at the worst time. Temporary losses are part of investing. Permanent losses usually come from emotions. Fear 3. Everything is expensive. Some stocks are expensive. Some are fairly priced. Some are cheap for a reason. The market is not one price. It's thousands of different opportunities. Smart investors don't avoid the market. They choose carefully. Is this a good time to invest? So let's answer the big question. Is this the right time to invest? Here's the honest answer. There is no perfect time. There never has been. For long-term investors, if your time horizon is 10 years or more, history is very clear. Long-term investors are rewarded for staying invested. Uncertainty often creates opportunity. Volatility is not the enemy. Emotional decisions are. For short-term investors, if you're investing short-term, this year may feel stressful. Markets could move fast. Headlines could change daily. Short-term investing requires discipline, risk management, clear exit plans. Without a plan, volatility can do serious damage. Dollar cost averaging. For many people, the smartest approach is dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing everything at once, you invest gradually, weekly, monthly, consistently. This removes pressure. You don't need to predict the market. You participate over time. It's simple, but powerful. Risks to watch this year. Now let's talk about risks, because ignoring risk is how people get hurt. Geopolitical risks, wars, trade conflicts, elections. Markets hate uncertainty. These events can cause sudden drops, even if fundamentals stay strong. Corporate earnings. Many companies have high expectations. When expectations are high, even good results can disappoint investors. That's why earnings matter so much this year. Overconfidence. After strong rallies, people forget risk exists. That's usually when markets correct. Smart investors stay cautious even when things look good. How smart investors are thinking. Smart investors aren't asking, will the market go up this year? They're asking better questions. Am I diversified? Can I handle volatility? Do I need this money soon? They focus on strategy, risk, consistency, not predictions, not hype, not fear. Conclusion. So is this the right time to invest? The real question is this. Are you ready to invest? Ready means you understand risk. You have a plan. You're thinking long term. Markets will always feel uncomfortable. That never changes. If you wait for certainty, you'll wait forever. If this video helped you, like it. It really supports the channel. Comment below. Are you investing this year? Or are you waiting? And if you want more clear, rational market content, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.